Guys, today I'm going to be opening Angry Bird Mashems Series 4. I have 2 of them today, so let's just get started. The first one, cutting up on stuff. Wait, open it. I got the, let me take it out of the case. Well, they're super sticky. I got, the yellow bird. That there, and now on to my second one. Ooh, cool! I got. I'll take this one in cases as well. This one's super sticky too. I got the pink bird. What I really like about this one is when you squish it. I don't know if you can see. Like you can see the water, but in this one you can just see clear. Yeah, so these are my 2 I got today. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.